I've noticed that yung youth talaga today, I suppose because of technology also and the easier dissemination of information, may Twitter na tayo, may ganyan. The youth talaga are very active and very present and aware, no? Alam nila ang nangyayari sa mundo. It's a joy. It's a joy to see the Philippine youth in particular, no? To become like this. Kasi dati we were all very, I suppose, oblivious before, no? Pero ngayon, I like what I'm seeing and it gives me hope for the future. However, I see technology like any other tool, like a hammer or a nail. Yung nail, pwedeng ipako si Cristo, pero pwede rin magbuo ng bahay. And I suppose, in whatever medium there is, yung mga mabubuting tao talaga ay kailangang lumabas. And talagang, pag may bagong medium, in this case, internet ngayon, kailangan lumaban ng mababait na tao. Pag nausong rock music, kailangan yung may mga good rockers. Kapag nauso ulit ang halimbawa, TV, no, yung mga TV shows, may mga medyo malalaswa, lumaban tayo, gumawa tayo ng magaganda. I just think it's a constant battle that we have to keep on trying to win.
Ang pag-asa'y walang hanggan, pag-ibig ay walang hadlang. Ang pag-asa'y walang hanggan, pag-ibig ay walang hadlang. At lilipat ang saranggola sa no.